Welcome to Dr. RCP Singh Memorial Charitable Dental Dispensary, a center for dental excellence built on a vision of compassionate care, affordability, and advanced technology. Hello, I am Dr. Gagandeep Singh, and it's my pleasure to walk you through the journey, the infrastructure, and the exceptional team of specialists that powers this institution. This charitable dental dispensary was founded in the memory of Dr. RCP Singh, a visionary who believed that quality healthcare should be accessible to every individual regardless of background. Today, that dream stands tall with over 1.5 lakh happy patients and more than 17,000 successful dental implant surgeries performed right here. Our journey has been one of the service, technology, and trust. We have been blessed with the faith of countless families across Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, and far beyond. Equipped with state-of-art technology, our clinic offers world-class treatment facilities from advanced dental chairs to digital X-rays, OPG scans, 3D scanning technology, and precision implant systems. We ensure every patient receives care backed by science and safety. But what truly makes us exceptional is our people. Meet Dr. Aman Singh, MDS in periodontology, our leading gums and implant specialist. With years of surgical experience, he helped restore smiles and chewing ability for thousands of patients through advanced implantology and regenerative gum therapies. Dr. Disha Singh, MDS Orthodontics, is our braces and Invisalign specialist. With a passion for perfect smiles, she crafts tailored treatment plans using latest invisible aligner technology. Our prosthodontic teams includes Dr. Sipika, Dr. Saurav, both MDS Prosthodontics. They specialize in full mouth rehabilitation, crown bridges, and custom-made dentures, restoring not just function but confidence. And yes, I personally expertise in smile designing using digital smile analysis and aesthetic treatment to bring harmony, beauty, and uniqueness to every face. Heading our general dentistry and clinical operations are Dr. Shwangi and Dr. Anjali, two highly experienced clinicians who also lead our vibrant team of over 20 young, enthusiastic dental surgeons from across the country. Together, they manage everyday procedures with a focus on precision, hygiene, and patient comfort. Our foundation rests on ethics, empathy, and excellence. Whether it's a routine checkup or a full mouth rehabilitation, we treat each case with the same passion and precision. At Dr. RCP Singh Memorial Charitable Dental Dispensary, our mission is to serve poor and needy. Our already subsidized charges are less than 1/3 of the prevailing rates in private practice. And if that still feels heavy, you can request additional 30% discount provided you don't own a car, a credit card, and have never traveled abroad. Dr. RCP Memorial Charitable Dental Dispensary is not just a clinic. It's a movement towards healthier smiles, stronger communities, and a future where no one is denied right to dental care. Thank you for being the part of our journey. We look forward to welcoming you to care, to trust, and to transformation.